In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a domain on Hostinger. Whether you're setting up a brand new website or simply updating the domain for an existing project, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. So let's get started and have your website up and running on the desired domain in no time. First, you'll want to begin by logging into your Hostinger hPanel. This is where you'll manage all the essential components of your website hosting, and it's the central hub for making these types of changes. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll navigate to the Websites section of your hPanel. Here, you will see a list of all your website builder projects. Take a moment to locate the specific project you're working on. This interface is user-friendly, so it shouldn't take long to find your site. Hover over your particular site, and you'll notice the option to Connect Domain popping up. If you're not connecting a domain for the first time, but rather switching domains, you'll see Change Domain instead. Click on the appropriate option, and this will lead you into the next part of our setup process. You'll need to type in your custom domain in the format of your domain.com, and then click Next. Make sure you've decided on a domain you're ready to use, because this will be the face of your site on the web. Since your domain is hosted with Hostinger as well, the system is designed to automate the DNS assignment for you. This is a key benefit of using Hostinger because it means you won't need to delve into manually editing DNS records yourself, which can be a bit tricky if you're not familiar with what you're doing. Hostinger has made this process smooth by automatically pointing your domain's DNS to their servers. For added assurance and to confirm everything is set up correctly, navigate back to hPanel and head over to the Websites section. Here, you should see a notice that says something like Domain Connected, which verifies that your website is now linked correctly. If you want to double-check the DNS settings or just ensure everything looks good, feel free to click on the Check Guide option next to your domain entry. This is an optional step and serves as a handy way to cross-check all the settings Hostinger has configured for you. By following these steps, you've successfully connected your domain on Hostinger, ready to present your site to the world. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more insightful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy website building!